Hey YouTube, Bimmer7 guy here, and I was going through and I was just going to replace one thing on here, and that is the pesky traction control. Mainly because of this boot, it's the one. Well, this one I was trying to make it last just a little bit longer, but it didn't. So I decided I'm just going to delete the traction control. So I got a bimmerworld intake boot. Now, let's get started. Just so you know what I've already done. Obviously, I got this off of there. It's got a bracket that bolts it to the throttle body. You got to disconnect both. Then you got to you can get some shorter bolts. That's what I went through and did. I put some shorter bolts in there, tightened it down. The traction control, I went through and I just took the top of it off, put it over here for right now. And yeah. I'm going to go through and delete the one bung. That'd be the top one. I'm going to go through, we'll get this in place. Which just seems just like my Mishimoto one, which I actually had to trim this section of it. No, it went on all right. Make sure we got it all the way on there as far as it'll go, and it is. Now what you need to do is connect the bottom, this hose, into that pipe right there. See this one? You need to connect it to the bottom of here. Alright, I'm going to do that now. Now when doing this, I suggest cutting this while it's off the car. I did have to go through and shorten it. Cut it. It'd probably be easier to cut it while it's off the car and you wouldn't have as bad of a cut. But let's grab my intake and stick it back together. Got it all hooked back up.